Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are fine and you are doing your study well. Is it? Yes, very good. So now, today we are going to start our new lesson of general knowledge, and that is lesson number 6, healthy vegetables. Okay? But before that, just tell me, have you solved or have you completed your exercise, revision exercise 1? Have you done with that? Okay, very good. And if not, so you have to complete that exercise first. Okay? Okay. So now we'll move towards our today's lesson, that is healthy vegetables. Okay? So now just tell me, do you like to eat vegetables? Are you eating vegetables daily? Yes, I know your answer, and that is no, because you don't like to eat all the vegetables. Am I right? Okay, but you have to eat all the vegetables because it is very healthy for your body. Got it? It helps you to grow more and to grow very fast. Okay? It stays you very healthy for lifetime. Got it? So you have to eat all the vegetables. Okay? So in this lesson, you are having, you can see in your board, and you are having some pictures of vegetables. Okay? You know some vegetables are there in your home and that are available in different types. Okay? Some vegetables grows under the ground. Okay? Some vegetables grows above the ground, and some vegetables are there on plant. Some are there in the form of leaves also. Okay? So like this, you have to identify from where we can get these vegetables. Okay? So shall we start? Very good. So take your pencil, eraser and open your book, page number 8. Okay? See the first one. Okay, you can see, for example, I have drawn 4 vegetables on the board. You can see on board also. Okay? So now tell me, which is the first vegetable? See in your book. What is the name of first vegetable? Yes, it is cabbage. So now, can you tell me, what is the form of this vegetable? Is it a leafy vegetable? Is it a flower vegetable? Yes, very good. Cabbage is a leafy vegetable. So, you have to write in this box L, capital L. So, you have to write capital L. Okay? Is it done? Yes, very good. Now, we'll move towards our next vegetable. You can see on board or in book also. Can you tell me what is the name of this vegetable? Yes, very good. It is radish. Okay. So now, can you tell me from where we can get this vegetable? Above the ground or under the ground? Very good. We can get this vegetable from under the ground. Okay. So you have to write here U, capital U. Okay? Yes. For leafy vegetable, we wrote L. For underground vegetables, we wrote U. Okay? So now we'll move towards our next vegetable. Which is this vegetable? What is the name of this vegetable? Can you guess? Yes, it is a ladyfinger. Yes, you love it the most. Am I right? Very good. So, now can you tell me from where we can get this ladyfinger? Under the ground above the ground or on the plants? Yes, we can get this lady figure on the plant. So you have to write this above the ground. So you have to write, for the answer is A, because we can get it from above the ground. Okay? Got it? Yes. So now we'll move towards our fourth vegetable. Which is that vegetable? Can you guess? See in your book. What is the name of this vegetable? Yes, it is brinjal. Okay. So now tell me, from where we can get this vegetable? Very good. Above the ground. So for that we have to write here A. Okay. For leafy vegetable we wrote L. For underground vegetable we wrote U, and for above ground vegetables we wrote A for both. Got it? Okay. Now we'll move towards our next vegetable. Which is that vegetable? Yes, green peas. So now tell me, from where we can get this green peas? It is there on plant. So you have to write here A, capital A. Very good. The next is, tell me the name of this vegetable. Yes, it is pumpkin. And from where we can get this pumpkin? It is there on creeper, that is plant. Okay. So you have to write there A in this column. Okay. Next is, which is the next vegetable? It is, yes, very good, it is spinach. So now tell me, what is the form of this vegetable? Can you guess from picture? Yes, it is in the form of leaves. So we can say that it is a leafy vegetable. So we have to write there L, capital L, like this. Okay? Cabbage is also leafy vegetable and spinach is also leafy vegetable. Okay? So now, what is the next vegetable? Number 8. Can you tell the name? Yes, it is onion. Okay? So now, tell me, from where we can get these onions? Above the ground or under the ground? Yes, it is root vegetable. So we can get it from under the ground. So you have to write in this column or in this box capital U, like this. Okay? Got it? Very good. So now the next one, number 9. Which is this vegetable? Yes, it is cauliflower. That means this is a flower vegetable. So from where we can get this? Above the ground. Very good. So you have to write in this box capital A. Okay? Is it done? Yes. Now we'll move towards our next, that is number 10. Okay? Which is this vegetable? Bitter gourd. No. ते कटच करावं लागणार आहे. बडबड 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 तुला बडबडीची सवय आहे म्हणून मला एवढं सवय.
विचार करा की आता कसं बोलते.
नकोच बडबडू, असंच होतं कधी कधी. Okay, so we'll move towards our next, that is number 10. And which is this vegetable? Can you tell the name? Yes, it is bottle gourd. And from where we can get this vegetable under the ground or above the ground? Yes, we can get it from above the ground or from creepers or from plants. So you have to write here capital A. Okay, is it done? Yes. Now what is the next one? Number 11. What is the name of this vegetable? Yes, it is cucumber. So like bottle ground, we can get this vegetable from creeper or plant. So you have to write here capital A. Okay. And the last one is, what is this vegetable? What is the name of this vegetable? Do you like this? Yes, and it is carrot. Very good. So now tell me, from where we can get these carrots? Under the ground or above the ground? Yes, under the ground. So you have to write here capital U. Okay? Is it done? All vegetables are done. Have you wrote that? Very good. So now if it is done, now you have to take a picture of your page and you have to attach that page or that photo to the Google form which I am sending. Okay? Got it? Very good. So, thank you.